Hey everyone, this is a Wigmore song called Oh My, and yeah, we started playing it in our band a couple of months ago, so to try to learn the riff and yeah, and get it going. And so this is how I play it anyway. Got a little bit of tremolo on to help it out a bit. And it's bouncing between a B and an E, so you can make that sort of B power chord there, and I'm playing on the A string 2nd fret, so that's then on the G string 4th and 2nd fret, and then to an E shape. So it's open on the top string, 2nd A string fretted at the 2nd fret, and that's the G string 2nd 1st, and landing on the D string on the 2nd fret. She's still having a bit of trouble trying to get it right. But anyway, I think they're the notes, and it just bounces between the B and the E. It goes to a G, to F sharp, so that those chords there on the sort of the bridge, D, G to A, B minor, F sharp, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, pretty simple, but yeah, super cool. So yeah, hopefully that's yep, that's round about right, and yeah, have fun playing that one.